Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the headphone accommodations on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down a little bit, swipe down and go to accessibility, so just tap on that, and then you want to swipe down and go to the audio and visual, so tap on that one, and the first option is going to be headphone accommodations, so click on this one, and here you can turn this feature on, but keep in mind that this is going to work only for supported Apple and Beats headphones. So if you do anything right here below, it is only applied to the custom Apple or Beats headphones. So you can tune audio for balanced tone, the vocal range or brightness. So you can choose, do you want the high frequencies to boost the audio for the vocal range or the balanced tone, and also the soft sounds will be boosted slightly, moderately or slowly. You can adjust here the strongness of the soft sounds. So also on the bottom you have the option to apply with phone or media. You can just turn on the phone or just turn off the media or turn off both, but it doesn't make any sense if you want to change something here, because obviously you want to change something to get the better experience by hearing something. And also you can go with the custom audio setup, but you need to have the headphones connected to your iPhone. I do not have them right now, so I'm not going to show you that. It's a pity, but you can go with the custom audio setup right here, and you're going to have an equalizer and everything that you can do. So again, how to get to those settings. So open the main settings, then just swipe down, tap on accessibility, swipe down, tap on audio and visual, and tap on headphone accommodations. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.